My name's Russell Whittam and I've been in the mushroom industry for 18 years. And the one thing I hate is you can't actually tell online the quality or the size of the product you're actually going to get. There are some businesses out there with sneaky marketing tactics that make their product look bigger and better than it actually is, while charging a premium. Our main goal at Aussie Mushroom Supplies, value for money. We only use 100% Australian made and grown ingredients, just like these soybean husks that are from 100% non-GMO soybeans and sustainably harvested hardwood sawdust. All of our kits are 5 litres or 2.2, 2.4 kilos. All of our production runs, we watch the core temperatures live, so we make sure that they're fully sterilised properly. All of our blocks are fully colonised, quality control checked, and that way you know when they leave us, they're ready to go. Here at Aussie Mushroom Supplies, we have free shipping. All Aussie Mushroom Supplies mushrooms are edible, delicious, and good for you. So if you're planning that mushroom pie for the in-laws this weekend, we got you covered. We worked the hardest to get the best mushroom kits in Australia. Gotta get those mushrooms swole. If you want the most reliable, best value for money, highest quality mushroom kits on the market, you'd be silly to go anywhere else but here.